Make a great choice today with the 2011 Chevy Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, traction control, XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, heated seats, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.